Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the garbage collection in Java language. What is garbage? In Java language, garbage means unreferenced objects. Okay, what is garbage collection? Is the process of reclaiming the unused memory automatically. I repeat it again. Garbage collection is the process of reclaiming the unused memory automatically. Okay. In other words, it's a way to destroy the unused objects. Okay. Daemon thread in Java language is a low priority thread that runs in the background to perform tasks like garbage collection. We will discuss later in detail about the daemon thread. Okay. We were using free method in C language and delete method in C++ language, isn't it? But in Java language, garbage collection is performed automatically. So, Java provides better memory management. Okay. What are the advantages of garbage collection? It makes Java memory efficient. Because garbage collector removes the unreferenced objects from memory, isn't it? And it is automatically done by the garbage collector. What is garbage collector? A part of JVM. Okay. So we don't need to make extra efforts. Okay. How can an object be unreferenced? The three ways. By nulling the reference, by assigning a reference to another, by anonymous object. Okay, for object and reference, we need finalize and GC inbuilt methods. Okay, the finalize method is invoked each time before the object is garbage collected. This method can be used to perform cleanup processing. Okay, and what is the garbage collector? Garbage collection is performed by a daemon thread called garbage collector. Okay, this daemon thread calls the finalize method before object is garbage collected. Okay, and the GC method is used to invoke the garbage collector to perform cleanup processing. The GC is found in system class. I hope you all understood about the garbage collection in Java language. Let's see this example. Here, I have created the class test garbage 1. Inside this class, I have the finalize method. Okay, so this method is the user defined method. So what is the role of this finalize? It's used to print this statement on my console, isn't it? And I have created the main method, and inside the main method, I have created two objects S1 and S2 for this class test garbage 1. Okay, and this is the default constructor, and here I have used the new keyword to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program. Okay, how to unreference an object by nulling the reference, isn't it? So here I have used the null keyword. S1 is equal to null. That means I try to null this object. Okay, then what will happen? This object will be unreferenced. Okay, so the memory will be free, isn't it? Likewise, here I have used the null keyword and S2 is equal to null. So I try to unreference these two objects using the null keyword. Okay, this process is called the nulling a reference. Okay, and here I have used the GC. This is the method which is used to invoke the garbage collector to perform cleanup processing. Now only we have discussed, isn't it? This is present inside the system class. So I have used the inbuilt class system here. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.